Hey guys, this is Paha, short for you don't wanna know what. So today I tried Perfora's Himalayan rock salt teeth whitening powder, which has activated charcoal and bromelain. As activated charcoal can remove stains from the enamel as in the first layer of the teeth, and bromelain helps removing plaque from the surface. It also serves as a natural stain remover. It has no artificial flavors and is as well as paraben free, vegan, and also cruelty free. With that, I tried Perfora's Unwind toothpaste containing NHA and sodium bicarbonate. So, nanohydroxyapatite helps restore transparency and gloss. It also provides mineral density, contributing to brighter and whiter teeth. And sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda, scrubs away the plaque. All in all, I am in love with these products. In my first wash, my teeth feels whiter and my mouth feels fresher. Definitely worth giving it a try.